A 2020 Hyundai Accent, I believe. So this little mat makes it to where it don't splash everywhere. Wish we'd have done that a long time ago. You are not a master. You got oil on your hands.
It happens time to time.
Was I in the way? Was that the problem?
Uh-huh.
Dude, that works flawlessly. 24 millimeter.
Impacts work wonders. Alright, so it's gonna go ahead and leak out much. That's gonna shine.
Alright, so this is our oil filter. And so this has the oil filter. And we were wondering what this little thing is. So this is so that you can drain all the oil out of the oil filter housing without pulling the case so it didn't get oil everywhere when you unscrew it. And it just locks into place. And it also came with the O-ring, and it looks like the seal for the drain plug.
Oh, man. And then you can turn that and pull out. Actually, that might just push out from the other side. You probably want to use pliers whenever you're doing it initially. Yep. So let's put the filter in with that, with the seal. And then lock it up.
Back
That's right.
in the same exact groove. And that is it.
So that's the groove.
Yep.
So it's not this first one, but it's the second one. All right.
Huh.
And then you feel it snug up and you do it a little bit more and that's it.
This is our whole funnel kit. How do you know if this is the Hyundai one? It says it on there. Yeah, so this one says Hyundai on it here and here.